Choose the correct choice in the following and justify your answers. In that, there will be two questions. So the first question will be, you need to find the 30th term of an AP where AP are 10, 7, 4, right? And there will be a 4 options. In out of 4 options, you need to choose one of the right answers. Now, how will you find? Just let me write the AP first, 10, 7, 4, dot, dot, dot. Now, you need to find the 30th term. Now, you know the formula, I think so. Before moving on to the formula, let me write, as usual, you know people, you need to write down the given AP as, that one as A1, the second one as A2, the third one as A3, nothing but first term, second term and third term, and dot dot dot. Okay, now I'll write the data. So nothing but you have the formula, right? So for that you need a data. So I am writing the data. So nothing but A1 is nothing but the first term, or A is a first term, A is called as nothing but 10. Okay, so now I'll write the formula, children. So the formula, I think you know, to find the 30th term or whatever the 15th term, AN formula. Already I had just said about this in a last video. Nth term of an AP formula, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, now I'll write the data. So data, the second data we need is the common difference. Okay, the common difference formula will be A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. Now this is the formula to find the common difference. Okay, now you have the data over there, just apply the data to this formula. So A2 is nothing but 7 minus A1 is 10 equals to A3 is 4 minus 7. Okay, now if you have simplified this, nothing but you know the answer, 7 minus 10 is minus 3, also 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So if the common difference are same, then the terms are said to be a AP, that already I said in my last video, introduction video. Okay, you need to find the A30th term. So therefore A30th will be equals to question mark. Now here N will be 30. Now these are all the data, childrens. Now you need to apply this data to the formula, then you'll get the A30th term. Okay, now so I'll apply the data to the formula. So let me apply. A30th term you need to find, that will be equals to A, the first term is 10 plus N. N will be 30 because 30, because you need to find the A30th term. So 30 minus 1 into D will be minus 3. Now if you have simplified this, A30 equals to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. So therefore A30 equals to 10 plus 29 3s are. Okay, so here 29 3s are 9 3s are 27, 7, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 is 87. So 8 is nothing but 87. Now here whenever you are multiplying the numbers, you need to multiply the numbers, also you need to multiply the symbols. 29 3s is 87, plus into minus is minus. Clear, children? Now A30th term will be equals to, if you subtract 87 minus 10, nothing but it's minus 77. Now this will be the answer, and this is how we need to find the answer. So minus 77 will be there in C option. So therefore C option is right, children. Now, so they have given the AP. So the AP are, okay, let me write here. So we are solving the second one. So AP they have given. So the AP are, so minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2. So therefore minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2, and you need to find the 11th term. So you need to find the 11th term. So therefore as usual, call this as A1, A2, this as A3, nothing but this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Now you need to find, I'll write the data here. So you need to find the A11th term. So therefore A11th term will be equals to question mark. So therefore here N will become 11 because you are about to find the 11th term. So therefore N will be equals to 11. Now here A is nothing but, A1 is nothing but the first term. The first term is minus 3. Next you need to find the common difference, because the formula to find the A11th term will be, so as usual the nth term formula you need to use. So therefore A plus N minus 1 into D. Children, from the next class I'll not write like this. So for example, you need to find the 11th term means if you have applied 11, the value of N in the place of N, nothing but the 11 in the place of N. So therefore you will get the equation as, or formula as, A plus, So 11 minus 1 into d, so therefore a11 equals a plus 10d, correct? So 11 minus 1 is 10 into d is 10d. So therefore the a11th formula will be a plus 10d. For example, I'll write another one. If suppose if they have asked the formula to find, or if they have asked to find the fifth term, so therefore a plus n minus 1 into d, here n value is how much? 5. So therefore the formula will become a5 equals a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So therefore a fifth term formula will be a plus 4d, correct? So therefore likewise, so from next onwards I'll write directly. If suppose if they have asked the formula a 20th, so a 20th formula will be a plus 19d, clear? Because a plus n minus 1 into d, 20 minus 1 is 19. So like this you need to write on. So as I said, so from next onwards I'll write the formula like this. Okay, now here you need to find the a11th term, so that means the formula will be a plus 10d. Here a, you got the value of a, nothing but minus 3. Now here d, you need to find the common difference. So common difference if you got means if you have applied the values here, you'll get the a11th term. So common difference formula will be a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2, correct? So a2 will be minus 1 by 2 minus a1 will be minus of minus 3. So therefore I'll write in a bracket a3. a3, the third term will be 2 minus a2 will be so minus half. So therefore I'll write in a bracket. Okay. Okay, now here, so first simplify or first multiple the symbols. Half minus into minus will be plus 3 equals to 2, minus into minus will become plus half, correct? Now nothing is there means 1 is there, here also in the denominator 1 will be there. So take the LCM. So LCM will be 2 1s are 1 1s are minus 1 plus 1 2s are 3 2s are 6 equals to, here also 2 is the LCM, 1 2s are 2 2 2s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 1 1s are 1. So therefore here, so 6 minus 1 will be minus into plus is minus, 6 minus 1 will be 5 by 2 because sign of a biggest number. So here also 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2, here 5 by 2, clear? Okay, now what is the meaning of this? Simple, already I had told you people, if the common difference is same, then the given terms are AP terms. Okay, now you got the common difference, just apply the common difference in the place of D, you'll get the A11th term. So therefore A11th term will be equals to A plus 10D is the formula, right? So A11th term will be equals to A means it's minus 3 plus 10 into D is 5 by 2. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 5s are. So therefore A11th term will be equals to minus 3 plus, now multiple 5 5s are, 5 5s are 25. So therefore A11th term will be equals to 25 minus 3 is, it's plus 22. Why it's plus 22? Because sign of a biggest number, the biggest number is 25, sign is plus, so therefore plus 22. Now this is the answer and this is how we need to solve it. Now just observe, plus 22 is in which option? So therefore the answer is plus 22. So plus 22 means, so the B option is right. So therefore you need to mark the B option as your right answer. Okay children, now this is how we need to solve it. So by using the nth term formula, and as I said, if suppose, again I'll say, if suppose if they have asked the formula, sorry, if they have asked to find the 15th term, the formula will be A plus 14D. Clear children, because 15 minus 1 is, so 14 into D is 14D. So like this you can write. Okay, so thank you, I'll meet you in the next video.